I got my turbo in, finally, for the SR20. I got it at Twisted Motion in Las Vegas. They said that their warehouse is out in California, so it took them a little longer than anticipated. Comes with the vibration analysis, I guess, and some gaskets and studs, which is kind of nice. But I was told it's supposed to be a bolt-on replacement for the turbo that I have. Oh, yeah, that I had. Looking good so far. Sweet. Hey guys, so I went ahead and installed the turbo. I couldn't really film too much just because it's me by myself right now. But I got the car on the lift. I took it for a little drive, but unfortunately I got an oil leak from the top of the oil feed. And I have to tear it all apart in order to tighten it and everything, and I really don't want to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the swap. I'm going to start taking off all the exhaust and the drive shaft and all that, and loosen up the motor mounts and tranny mount. That way I can go ahead and pull the motor and start the 2J swap. I will get back with you with some progress. Alright, we're back. So I went ahead and took out the radiator and the piece of the intercooler piping. Disconnected all of the AC lines. Took out the wiring harness from the motor. Luckily this wiring specialties harness is actually really nice. It's pretty much plug and play, as you could say. Other than that, took off the heater lines down there, some vacuum lines, throttle body, throttle cable, fuel lines. Got the radiator sitting over there. Yeah, it's a different one. I haven't seen it before like this. It's called fluid line. It's pretty jacked, but I mean, it kept it cool. Oh shoot, just poured some antifreeze on the ground. Disconnected the power steering line. And next, I think I'm gonna raise it and disconnect the exhaust. I'm gonna grab the tool just in case I need these down there. If I raise it, I freaking can't grab them. But yeah. Don't want to forget the other one over here. Forgot I pulled it out. Two four. Oh, sorry. Right there, I think it's good. Everything else I believe should be good. Just gonna close this. Alright. Slowly but surely. vvti. Gonna take off the exhaust. Drain the tranny fluid, the clutch line, disconnect that. Take off the drive shaft, and I believe it's transmission mount. Take that off. After that, I believe it should be golden. I don't know where this hooks up to. Oh, okay. Yeah, this hooks up to. Where does this hook up to? I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the wires also from the tranny signal wires, and then it should be good. Talk to you guys in a bit. All right, so I got the exhaust out finally. Took the drive shaft and everything out, like I explained a little earlier. Drain the fluid from the transmission. Got the motor mounts all loosened up. I went ahead and disconnected the steering linkage just in case I don't want it to get in the way and bend any of the steering with the downpipe. But engine's all loose. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna drop the car from the lift, push it back, and pull it out. Hopefully it should be pretty straightforward. Alright, so we're at the final stages of the motor. We're gonna pull it out now here. It's my brother helping me out. Yeah, I'm just gonna get underneath with the jack, and then you pull forward. Or I'll just get underneath and then like lift up the transmission with my hand, and you pull forward when I tell you to?
Yeah,
all right. Hey guys, didn't really get to show much while I was pulling out the motor, but if you can see back there, we got it out. Engine bay is pretty nasty. Wish I could get some better footage of this, while I'm doing it, but it's kind of difficult. But yeah, got the engine bay, the engine over here, set on some tires. Pretty much just need to clean up the engine bay and pull out some other stuff. It's pretty nasty. Hook up the steering linkage, whatnot, give it a wash, and then start pulling the other motor.